Today is a kickoff for the 2018 asphalt season. Welcome to American Asphalt. We're kicking off our 35th season. So we had everybody with all the crews and all the staff here this morning. Gotta let the guys know what's going on. It's not just work, work, work. It's really about what's good for you guys. We're not just a sprint here, it's definitely a marathon. I wanted to show everybody how our money is spent. So all this equipment you see behind me comes from the hard work from the guys. So we gotta take care of the guys and give them an idea how we did last year and what's expected of them this year. We've got a good crew, good group of new guys. We've got a great backlog. We finally have good weather. We're ready to hit the ground running.